Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. We are testing this DeLonghi Magnifica. It had a leaking steam boiler that was leaking when brewing espresso, and we replaced that, and now let's go ahead and test the machine. So you get a nice shot of espresso, good crema. Go ahead and test the steam. The customer says they don't use the steam, but let's just go ahead and test it anyways for good measure. Good steam. So thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.